In this module, students explore weather and sky. They learn that weather is the condition of the atmosphere, the blanket of air that surrounds Earth at a given time and place, and that the sun's energy drives weather. The sun is the star around which Earth revolves, and it is the main source of light and heat for our planet. Though the sun seems to change position in the sky, it is actually Earth that is moving, or rotating on its axis. This rotation causes the apparent rising and setting of the sun. Because the Earth's axis is tilted, sunlight shines more directly on some parts of Earth than on others, and this regular variation in sunlight causes the seasons. Students also discover that the moon is much smaller than the sun, but both appear to be about the same size in Earth's sky because the moon is so much closer. Unlike the sun, the moon does not produce its own light, but reflects sunlight that falls on it. A full moon happens when the entire side that faces Earth is sunlit, and a new moon happens when none of it is lit. In this module, students explore weather and sky with 12 hands-on activities and the Delta Science Reader. They first learn what weather is, and then build a weather vocabulary of words and symbols. Using their senses and several weather tools, students observe and measure 4 main weather factors: temperature, wind, clouds, and precipitation. They record data on a weather calendar, which helps them recognize daily and seasonal weather changes and patterns. They also find out how weather affects everyday life. Then, students compare the daytime sky and the nighttime sky. They trace shadows to discover that the sun changes position in the sky through the course of a day, and they model how Earth's rotation causes day and night. Daytime observations reveal that the moon also appears to move across the sky. Students also keep moon journals, from which they conclude that the moon's apparent shape and position in the sky change in a pattern that repeats about once a month. In the Delta Science Reader Weather and Sky, students learn about weather and explore the sky. They learn what weather is and how we observe, measure, and record its main features. Students read about the 4 seasons and how seasonal weather changes affect living things. Then, students study the sky and what we see in the sky during the day and at night. They make a connection between their new weather knowledge and the world beyond school when they read about what a meteorologist does. Finally, students extend their learning with an introduction to moon phases.